So I just got gifted this electronic acupuncture pen by iVulcan. Let me show you guys some of the features here and see how this would work for you. The pen is very compact. It comes with a nice case. It does have the charging cord for it. It has your manual here, how to use it. And on the pen itself, it has multiple tips. So it has a skinnier tip and a larger tip, so depending on your application you can pick the right tip. On the pen itself, it has 3 different modes, so you can choose between 3 different modes to your comfort level. It also has the power to the unit, so you can turn it on and then increase the voltage for maximum performance. Right here you have the start button, which is actually going to send the pulse, and the nice thing about this is it has a little meter right here where when you're on your acupuncture point, it's going to give you a reading if you're in the proper location. So when the readout reaches 460, that means you've reached an acupoint, and you can go ahead and hit start and send a pulse. So that thing is pretty cool. If you're using it on yourself, you want to be touching this negative bar here, which is going to send the current through. If you're using it on someone else, you can plug in this probe, they can hang on to this part, and this plugs into the bottom, which is going to give that circuit. So this thing is really cool. If you guys aren't familiar with acupuncture, definitely do some research, but this should definitely help you with your needs. And really nice little unit. And the fact that it actually identifies the point, that's pretty amazing. So you don't have to know too much about location. This unit's actually going to find it for you. And again, you can adjust the intensity and the mode that you want to operate at, and really slick unit in my opinion.